In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a locked-out site on WordPress.com, a simple WordPress tutorial tailored for beginners. If you've ever found yourself locked out of your WordPress site, don't worry. I'm here to help you regain access smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the WordPress.com login page. Open up your web browser and type in wordpress.com/login. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar screen prompting you to enter your details. Now, if you're locked out, it's likely because you've forgotten your password. So the next step is to look for the link that says Lost Your Password. You'll find it just below the login form. Click on it, and this will guide you to a page designed to help you reset your password. On this new page, you'll be asked to type in the email address associated with your WordPress account. It's important to use the same email that you initially used when you set up your account. Once you've typed the email in, you'll see a button that says Reset My Password. Go ahead and click on that. This initiates a process that sends a password reset link to your email. Now comes the time to check your email inbox. Open up your email and look for a message from WordPress.com. It should say something like, WordPress.com, password reset. If you don't see it immediately, make sure to check your spam or junk folder, as sometimes emails can end up there. Once you locate the email, click on it to open. Within this email, you'll find a button labeled Reset Password. When you click on this, it will redirect you to a page where you can choose a new password. Be thoughtful when creating your new password. WordPress will often suggest creating one that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure it's strong and secure. Enter your new password twice as prompted, and then click on the Reset Password button. And there you have it. You should now be able to return to the WordPress login page and log in using your new password. Remember, keeping your password secure and somewhere you won't forget is vital to maintaining easy access to your site. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you've successfully regained access to your WordPress site. If you run into any troubles or have further questions, feel free to reach out through the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly WordPress tutorials and other great content in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.